Hello. Hi, everyone. I'm Michael Peter Edson, and I'm the Chief Museum Officer and Director of MuSO, the Museum of Solutions, Mumbai. So I get the great honor of welcoming you in. Come on. This is our ground floor entrance called the Commons. We have a beautiful 200-seat open-air amphitheater. You'll be able to come in the morning and have a cup of coffee and charge your phone and sit and relax and read. We feel that the whole experience of coming to MuSO begins with conviviality and togetherness and a commons. So this we hope you think of as your new living room, a place to enjoy and meet friends and then go up into the museum and explore together.
I am the Director of Programs and Outreach at the Museum of Solutions. Welcome to the Make Lab. This is where children build, think about solutions, build, create, test, prototype, and reiterate on solutions that can solve the problems of the world and make the world a better place to live.
I am Namita Premkumar and Director Content and Exhibits for the Museum of Solutions. The Discover floor, which is on the 8th floor at the Museum of Solutions, is dedicated to the world of water. We want children, school groups, adults and visitors to come here and spend the entire day understanding about water as a special resource. We've designed the floor in such a way that we have different zones. We have an immersive theatre with a beautiful film about a turtle that loses her way and talks about how we should preserve the oceans. It's narrated by Mr. Jackie Shroff and Dia Mirza. It's an 8-minute film that takes children into the wonderful world of oceans, but also teaches them to be mindful about oceans, about the polluted oceans around us. We have the empathy zone where you actually enter that zone. And the philosophy behind that was we realized that children can only relate to a problem when they step into the shoes or actually enter into an immersive world of that particular community. So right from inception to what you see at the Discover floor, everything has been researched and collaborated with people who have worked with water, who've worked with mangroves, who've worked with communities.
Hi, my name is Anyatam Vishwas. I take care of partnership and outreach vertical at Museum of Solutions. Every Monday we are open to public, and when we say public, we want the museum to be accessible by each and every child across Mumbai.
Hi, I'm Arinja. I'm the lead facilitator at Museum of Solutions, and now we're on the 7th floor. Welcome to the Play Lab. Play is powerful, and at the Play Lab we are going to play, interact, and have fun with all the exhibits that we have here and learn a lot. Yes, we have STEAM concepts running through the entire floor. We have an everyday zone, build it, build structures, create things using the animation station, and even play with water. There's learning in all the exhibits. There's a big moves area as well that we have where you literally use your whole body and move and play.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.